In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack. Creating a poll in Slack is a simple way to collect feedback, make decisions faster, and avoid long, messy reply threads in your channels. Whether you want a more polished, interactive poll or just need a quick team vote, Slack gives you a couple of practical ways to get it done. Let's start with the native option using Workflow Builder, which is great if you want a cleaner and more structured poll experience without relying on third-party apps. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your web browser and go into your workspace. In the top left area of the screen, click your workspace name to open the main drop-down menu. From there, choose Tools and then open Workflow Builder. Once the Builder dashboard loads, look to the top right corner and click Create Workflow. Next, you'll choose how the workflow gets started. Select from a link in Slack. This creates a shortcut your teammates can use to launch the poll. After that, give your workflow a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, then click Next. Now you'll build the actual poll. On the workflow canvas, click Add Step. Search for Forms or the option called Collect Info from a form and select it. This is where you define your poll. Enter a form title that matches your topic, then add your main question. For the response type, choose Select from a list or multiple choice, depending on how you want people to vote. Then, type your answer options one by one and save the form. After that, click Add Step again underneath the form. Choose Send a message to a channel. Select the channel where you want the poll activity to appear and place the form response tokens into the message body so the results or submitted information can be used properly in the workflow. When everything looks right, go to the top of the page and click Publish. Once it's published, your teammates can use the generated link to submit their votes. If you need something much faster, you can also create a simple emoji poll directly in a channel. Open the channel where you want to post it, then click in the message box at the bottom. Type your question in a clear format, then use Shift and Enter to move to a new line without sending the message. On the lines below, list each option with a different number emoji so people know exactly how to vote. This works especially well for quick decisions because it's easy to read and takes only a few seconds to post.